Lisa Valerie Kudrow, born July 30th, 1963, is an American actress and writer. She rose to international fame for her role as Phoebe Buffay in the American television sitcom Friends, which aired from 1994 to 2004. The series earned her Primetime Emmy, Screen Actors Guild, Satellite, American Comedy, and TV Guide Awards. Phoebe has since been named one of the greatest television characters of all time and is considered to be Kudrow's breakout role, spawning her successful film career. Kudrow initially appeared in a 1989 episode of the hit sitcom Cheers, playing a character named Emily. She also starred in several episodes of the show Mad About You 1993 as Ursula, before auditioning and earning the role of Phoebe on Friends. Her character on Mad About You was written into the Friends storyline as Phoebe's twin. In the late 1990s, Kudrow starred in the cult comedy film Romy and Michelle's High School Reunion, 1997, and followed it with an acclaimed performance in the comedy drama The Opposite of Sex, 1998, which won her the New York Film Critics Circle Award for Best Supporting Actress and a nomination for the Independent Spirit Award for Best Supporting Female. She created, produced, wrote, and starred in the HBO mockumentary series The Comeback, which initially lasted for one season in 2005, but was revived for two critically acclaimed seasons in 2014 and 2026, respectively. She was nominated for the Primetime Emmy Award for Outstanding Lead Actress in a Comedy Series for its first two seasons. In 2007, Kudrow received praise for her starring role in the film Cab Louie and appeared in the film P.S. I Love You. She produced and starred in the Showtime program Web Therapy 2011 to 2015, which was nominated for a Primetime Emmy Award. She is a producer on the TLC NBC reality program Who Do You Think You Are, which has been nominated for a Primetime Emmy Award 5 times. She has also received nominations at the Children's and Family Emmy Awards for her roles in Better Nate Than Ever 2022 and Time Bandits 2024. She played Honey the dog on the Fox animated series Housebroken. Personal life. Kudrow married French advertising executive Michelle Stern on May 27, 1995. They live in Beverly Hills, California, and have a son born on May 7, 1998. Kudrow's pregnancy was written into the 4th season of Friends, with her character having triplets as a surrogate mother for her half-brother and his wife. In addition to her Beverly Hills home, Kudrow maintained a penthouse in Park City, Utah, which she sold in April 2017. She revealed in 2019 that she had experienced body dysmorphic disorder while working on Friends. more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.